Welcome guys, today I will show you how to enable reverse wireless charging to charge other devices on POCO F8 Ultra. So, in front of me the device and headphones that allows wireless charging. Let's, at the beginning, enable the feature. Open the settings, scroll down and choose battery chapter. Here, go to the charging options part. At the very bottom, in the reverse wireless charging section, you will find the toggle, which will enable the feature, and also you can choose charging limit. You can switch between 20, 30 or 40%. Charging limit, turn off reverse wireless charging when this device battery goes lower than chosen percentage. So let's use this toggle to activate the feature. Alright, and as you can see, this feature turns off NFC. So if you will need to use NFC, you should turn off this reverse wireless charging option. Now I will show you how it works with these headphones. Okay, so the mechanism which allows you to wireless charge in other devices locate here. So you should put your headphones, for example, straight here. And as you can see, headphones are charging now. For better experience, you can remove case from your headphones or other mobile device and from the POCO F8 Ultra. But as you can see, it works also with these hard cases. So, if this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.